equivalent weight of bases. The equivalent weight of bases is equal to molecular weight of bases by acidity. Like basicity, here acidity means the number of replaceable OH groups present in the given base is called as acidity. Here acidity means number of replaceable OH groups present in the given base. So here also I just give some example for equivalent weight of bases. First we just construct the table. So I just take the few columns. Those are base, serial number, base, acidity, molecular weight, and final one equivalent weight. Okay, so I just take the few examples here. So first one in this sodium hydroxide, serial number 1. First base is sodium hydroxide. Its acidity is 1. Why? Because here number of OH groups is equal to 1. In its molecular weight is equal to 40. Equivalent weight 40 by 1. We get 40. Okay. And next one, second one is KOH, potassium hydroxide. Here also acidity is 1 equal to 1. Molecular weight is 56 and equivalent weight 56 by 1. We get the 56. And next one is magnesium hydroxide, MgOH taken to. Acidity is equal to 2. Why? Because 2 OH groups is there. Molecular weight is equal to 58 and equivalent weight is 58 by 2. We get the 29 as a equivalent weight. And next one is calcium hydroxide, CaOH taken to. Acidity is equal to 2. Molecular weight 74 and equivalent weight is 74 by 2. We get 37. And last one is ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. Here acidity is equal to 1. Molecular weight is 35 and equivalent weight is equal to 35 by 1. That is equal 35. So there are some examples for equivalent weight of bases. And next is equivalent weight of salts. Next category. Equivalent weight of salts. So equivalent weight of salts is equal to molecular weight by total charge of cations or total charge of cations or anions. The total charge of cation or total charge of anion. Okay, so here also I just give some examples. So first we just take the table. For the table I just take the few columns. That is a serial number, salt, and next total charge of cation or anion, molecular weight, and last is equivalent weight. So they are the columns. So here I just take the first example, that is sodium chloride, NaCl. Here total charge of cation or anion is equal to 1. Molecular weight is equal to 58.5 and equivalent weight is equal to 58.5 by 1. We get the 58.5. And next example, second one is MgCl2, magnesium chloride. Total charge of cation is equal to 2. At the same time anion is equal to 2. Molecular weight is equal to 95 and equivalent weight 95 by 2. We get 47.5 as a equivalent weight. And next one is sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Total charge of cation or anion is equal to 2 and molecular weight is 106. Then equivalent weight is 106 by 2. That is equal to 53. And next and last one is aluminum sulfate, Al2SO4 take L3. Here total charge of cation or anion is equal to 6 and molecular weight is equal to 342 and equivalent weight 342 by 6, that is equal to 57. So they are the equivalent weight of some salts. And last one is a very important, equivalent weight of oxidizing agent or a reducing agent. Last category in the equivalent weight, that is a equivalent weight of oxidizing agent or a reducing agent. Equivalent weight of oxidizing or a reducing agent. So here we can express the common formula in two ways. So first one is a equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight by change in oxidation state. Change in a oxidation state. So this is one formula based on the oxidation state, and one more formula is equal to molecular weight by total number of electrons loss or gain per molecule. So this is the formula for equivalent weight of oxidizing or a reducing agent. We can express the same formula in different ways. One is based on the oxidation change in oxidation state per one molecule, or number of electrons loss or gain per one molecule. So here I just give some few examples. Those are very important for this. So first I just take the equivalent weight of KMnO4. So example 1, here I just take the equivalent weight of KMnO4. For the KMnO4, the molecular weight of KMnO4 is equal to 158. So here we can I just want to discussing about equivalent weight of KMnO4 in three different mediums. So first one is in acidic medium. So here first category is in acidic medium. In acidic medium, KMnO4 can be converted into, in acidic medium it can shows by the equation permanganate ion to Mn+2. Here these reaction can be takes place in the acidic medium, or these reaction can represent the change in change in oxidation state of manganese in acidic medium. Here in the reactant in the permanganate ion, the oxidation state of manganese is equal to +7. Here we have the oxidation state is equal to +2. So you will learn in the next topic how to find the oxidation state. In the redox reaction. In the topic of redox reaction, you can learn how to find the oxidation state of given atom in the molecular species. Okay. So first here you just focus on the concept. So in permanganate ion, the oxidation state of manganese +7. Here the oxidation state is equal to +2. Here change in oxidation state is equal to 5. Here also we have one manganese. Here also one manganese. Here the manganese the oxidation state of manganese change from +7 to +2. So here 5 electrons can be involved. Okay. So then equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight by change in oxidation state 5, or number of electrons. +7 to +2 means 5 electrons can be gained. So 158 by 5, you get 31.6. So the equivalent weight of potassium permanganate in acidic medium equal to 31.6. So now I just take in a basic medium. Next set in basic medium. This is also we call as a strong alkaline medium. Basic medium or a strong alkaline medium. Strong alkaline medium. Okay. So in a strong alkaline medium, the reaction is the permanganate ion can be converted into MnO4 minus, can be converted into manganate ion. Potassium permanganate can be converted into potassium manganate. So here the oxidation state of manganese in MnO4 minus is equal to plus 7. In the MnO4 minus 2, the oxidation state is plus 6. Here change in oxidation state is 1, or 1 electron can be gained by the reactant. So here equivalent weight is equal to 158 by 1, that is equal to 158. So this is the equivalent weight of potassium permanganate in a basic medium. Okay, and next in neutral medium. Next category in neutral medium. In neutral medium. So this is also we call as a dilute alkaline medium. Neutral medium or a dilute alkaline medium. Here the reaction can be indicated by MnO4 minus is gives rise to MnO2. Here the oxidation state of manganese in the reactant side is equal to plus 7. Here the oxidation state is plus 4. Here change in oxidation state is equal to 3, or 3 electrons can be gained by the reactant. So then equivalent weight. So I will continue here. Equivalent weight in neutral medium is equal to molecular weight 158 by change in oxidation state is equal to 3. Then we get a 52.6. So the equivalent weight of potassium permanganate in acidic medium is equal to 31.6 grams. In basic medium is equal to 158 grams. In neutral medium is equal to 52.6 grams. So this is about potassium permanganate. Now I just take the second example, that is equivalent weight of potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7. So here the potassium dichromate can be converted. So dichromate and Cr2O7 minus 2 can be converted into Cr plus 3. So here the oxidation state of chromium, he is plus 6, here plus 3. So change in oxidation state is 3, or 3 electrons can be gained by the dichromate ion. So here 2 chromium atoms is there. For 1 chromium 3 electrons, 2 chromiums 6 electrons. So 2 into 3 electrons. So number of electrons totally gained for the compound is 6 electrons. So equivalent weight is equal to for potassium dichromate molecular weight is 294. So 294 by 6, then we get the 49. So this is the equivalent weight of potassium dichromate in acidic medium. So this is takes place in a acidic medium. Next, third example, equivalent weight of oxalic acid. Equivalent weight of oxalic acid. Formula H2C2O4, and its molecular weight is equal to 88 grams. So when you see the reaction of oxalic acid, it will be present like so oxalate ion in acidic medium, C2O4 minus 2 oxalate ion can be converted into carbon dioxide. Okay, here the oxidation state of carbon is plus 3. Here the oxidation state of carbon is plus 4. Here 1 electron can be lost for 1 carbon. So totally 2 electrons. Why? Because 2 carbons. For 1 carbon the change in oxidation state is 1. For 2 carbons 2. I mean for 1 carbon 1 electron can be gained. So for 2 carbons, 1 electron can be lost. For 2 carbons 2 electrons can be lost. So then equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight 88 by 2, that is equal, you get 44 grams. And last example, fourth one, equivalent weight of more salt. Equivalent weight of more salt. Actually the formula of more salt is NaH4 taken to SO4 dot FeSO4 dot 6H2O. So this is the formula of more salt, and the molecular weight of more salt is equal to 392 grams. So in the more salt, if you see that the more salt, the Fe plus 2 ion can be converted into the Fe plus 3 ion. So here the oxygen states are directly elevating. So here one electron can be lost in this reaction. So resulting equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight 392 by 1, we get the 392. So like this we can find the equivalent weight of oxidizing agent or reducing agent based on the medium of the reaction. So this is about completely about the equivalent weight of the various substances. Okay students, in the next video we will discuss some model problems or some numericals based on the equivalent weight. Okay students, if you like my concept, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share my videos. Thank you.